The best smartwatches do more than show notifications on your wrist. They are everything in one: a fitness tracker, a wallet, and in some cases, even an LTE equipped phone. A smartwatch can also save your life with the elevated heart rate alerts and automatically connect you to emergency service if you fall. Electrocardiogram, blood oxygen readings are perks of certain premium models too. In this video, I am going to show you the top 5 amazing smartwatches that comes in all budgets that you can consider to buy in 2021. Please hit the like button to share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Amazfit Bip, the best cheap smartwatch. You don't necessarily have to pay big bucks to get a capable smartwatch with a fitness tracking feature. The ultra-affordable Amazfit Bip costs less than $80, yet works with the iOS and Android and comes with a GPS and a heart rate monitor. Fitness tracking features are pretty solid, and the Bip's transcriptive color display is easy on the eyes and doesn't drain the battery. Speaking of the battery life, you can expect around 45 days of normal usage. Other functionalities are limited in this. You can select only one from 5 different watch faces and can only view and not respond to notification from the watch itself. But if you are in the market for a smartwatch that costs less than $100 and has every features which is necessary for you, then this watch is just for you. Buy this smartwatch for its Apple Watch-like design, built-in GPS, and its very affordable price. The disappointments are the heart rate and steps are not always accurate, and it has got a low resolution graphics, and it also can't respond to notifications. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Garmin Vivo Active 4, the best smartwatch for fitness. Garmin took the best feature of its Vivo Active 3, the best smartwatch for fitness, and made them even better with the $350 Vivo Active and Active 4S. The watch now comes in 2 sizes, that is 40mm and 45mm, to offer a better fit for most people and include both Garmin Pay and music storage out of the box. The Vivo Active 4 also offers animated on-screen yoga and pilates workout to help you improve your poses. A new pulse ox sensor measures your blood oxygen level and gives you more detailed sleep insights. All of that with the amazing 7-day battery life makes this Vivo Active 4 our favorite smartwatch for fitness. Buy this smartwatch for its availability in 2 sizes, built-in music storage with the Spotify support, and 2-button navigation. The disappointments are it has got a syncing issues and it has got a convoluted app installation process. Fitbit Sense, the best Fitbit smartwatch. The Fitbit Sense is the company's top-shelf smartwatch that comes with a more advanced health and wellness features than the Versa line. Not only does it have a FDA-approved ECG sensor and blood oxygen reading, but the Sense has the ability to measure electrodermal activity and skin temperature too. As one of the best Fitbits, the Sense works with both iOS and Android and comes with an onboard GPS, a native app store, Alexa, and more. No longer is the Fitbit just a brand with the products for tracking our steps. Fitbit devices like the Fitbit Sense show what it means to take a holistic look at our health. This smartwatch is very attractive and it has got a very long battery life with a comprehensive fitness and health features. These are the best reasons to buy this smartwatch. And the disappointment is there is no Spotify storage provided, and which is a very disappointing thing. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, the best smartwatch for Android users. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is one of the most stylish smartwatches around and one of the most functional too. It is available in two sizes, that is 41 and 45mm, as well as in the LTE variant, so you can leave your smartphone at home. The Galaxy Watch 3's rotating bezel makes navigating the watch interface easy, while access to thousands of watch faces lets you customize the display to your liking. Although the Galaxy Watch 3 has a shorter 2-day battery life compared to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch, it introduces more music storage, FDA-approved ECG tracking and trip detection. Of course, you will get Samsung Pay for contactless payments and some good fitness features too. Like the first Galaxy Watch, the Galaxy Watch 3's biggest setback is that Samsung Galaxy App Store is limited compared to the Apple's, but Tizen is slowly catching up. Buy the smartwatch for its slimmer design than the original, physically rotating bezel is back, and the FDA approved ECG reading. The disappointment is the shorter battery life than original. Apple Watch Series 6, the best smartwatch overall. The Apple Watch Series 6 is the best smartwatch yet. It builds on everything we appreciated about the Series 5, from the always-on display to the collection of health features with an even brighter screen and an added blood oxygen reader. Plus, the Apple Watch comes in a color for the first time. The exclusive blue and the product red finishes are absolutely eye-catching. And the feature that is everybody impressed about this Apple Watch is its improved 18-hour battery life. The Series 6 does benefit from faster charging too. You can completely juice it up in just 90 minutes, which comes in handy for wearing instead of charging it overnight. Yes, the Apple Watch 6 has sleep tracking too, thanks to the watchOS 7. The latest software also adds a new watch faces, mobility metrics, and an automated hand washing timer. Buy the smartwatch for its smart blood oxygen app, new color casings, brighter always-on display and faster charging. The only disappointment is the battery life could have been still better. So these are the best smartwatches that you can consider to buy in all budgets, that is from low price to the premium one. If I had missed any of the best smartwatch in this list, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.